Hey, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. I realized my last post was quite, took quite a while. And so since I have the optical cable working with audio, okay, when I have the optical cable working, okay, I'm getting a soda here. I realized that I can't use the optical cable with the projector, and because it somehow stayed a lot brighter outside than what I expected, okay? It's definitely brighter outside than what I thought it was going to be, and even warmer. It's definitely warm this time of year, okay? So what I'm going to do is I said I might as well try to see. I somehow thought when I was at Target last week and I can't remember what I got. It was after I got this soundbar. I somehow thought they had a more inexpensive soundbar. But I went there, they didn't actually have it. So I tried the same place I got the projector, okay? So anyway, I got some, that's gotta go there. So, some of the drugstores have still been having the sales, but it looks like they're kind of not getting rid, but sort of phasing out a lot of the technology stuff they used to have. I haven't seen as many of the new product items, and some of the older stuff that either they're not making, they're not selling anymore, has been on discount, which is actually really good. Okay, so the first thing I got is I got a wireless speaker. Okay, but it uses the 3.5 millimeter auxiliary stereo headphone jack, okay? So I'm gonna use that. The other thing I got is I wanted to try another wireless charging pad. I don't know why I bought this. I may return this if I can. It does have a pretty good discount on it. So somehow when I saw it, I thought, because I have a wireless charging pad I bought at Costco where it's kind of a stand. This one just lays flat. And so somehow I think when it lays flat, I accidentally knock it over and stuff like that. But I'm going to try it. I think I'm going to keep it because it is such a discount item. And so the first thing, and then I got this. I got more of those Wi-Fi things from China. The other one did not work, okay? I couldn't get the other one to work. This one's, I'm gonna try to see if I can get these to work, okay? There's 3 of them in there, and I'm gonna attempt to get those to work. I don't know that they will though, okay? Because the first one didn't, so. All right, let's see. I'm gonna open this here. Okay. Back. Okay. Here's the owner manual. Wireless speaker, one touch, and it's also got speakerphone function. So I guess I can use it with my phone right there. But here's the box. And it seems like a pretty good. Oh, it's dented? Oh no, that's just the design. First I thought it was dented. I thought, wow. Okay, so it is a little bit obviously smaller, okay? You know, I did have a fuse go out today, and so it is quite a bit smaller. Wow, that is smaller. The rubber feels really good, okay? This actually feels really good. It's kind of that smooth type of rubber. A long time ago, it was on some like amusement rides like that were sort of futuristic technology. It's almost like a Star Trek type thing, you know, this smooth, but it's like, it's not hard and tacky, but it's just kind of got a smoothness to it. It does slide because it has 4, I guess it only has 2. Oh no, it goes like this. Wait, it slides. Why does it slide? This rubber I don't think should slide at all. Anyway, that's really weird. The rubber slides. I thought the rubber was supposed to grip. But this rubber doesn't grip at all. It totally slides. Wow, that's weird. That's totally weird. This rubber should not slide, but they got these things on the bottom, and it slides around on the table. I mean, really slides. I don't know why that does that. Okay. This is somewhat of an older product, okay? It's it's made in China, okay? Its manufacturing date was November 2013. That's almost 7 years ago. Wow, all right. It's from Craig, wireless speaker, one-touch speakerphone function. And it's, looks like it's a little bit shaped differently down here. I don't know what's going on with this, but it's made in China. All right, so let's try to get this set up. I've got to, I'm going to actually try to plug it in over there with the projector. So I'm going to rotate the phone. And I won't be able to show the wireless charging pad because I can show the box and what it looks like, but because I basically have to charge the phone, you know, I can't really show. And the other thing I am going to do is I am going to unbox these items here for Wi-Fi and see if I can actually get one of these Wi-Fis to work. I don't know if it will or not. Okay, so here's the pad, the wireless charger. Wow, it feels really interesting. It's got kind of this almost like a mesh hard plastic. I guess it's sort of an etched or sandblasted plastic. Okay, it looks sort of like a big phone basically. And it's a wireless charger, but it's really light. Like it doesn't have that thick, dense heaviness. And this was in June of 2018. And is it made in China? Okay. So we are going to try this in a little while. Maybe I can just try it now with the phone. I can set it on there. I got to peel the back off. And then I'm going to plug this in. USB. Oh, I need a USB adapter. I guess I can use the iPhone adapter. Micro USB. I guess I need an outlet. I can do it on. Anyway, I'll look at this later. But that's what it looks like. It's real kind of soft here. Seems like a good product. I'll go try it in a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to plug this in. This is the same thing. This does not have. It doesn't have an outlet. Where'd the box go? I bought it without an outlet? It's supposed to plug into components. I might be able to plug it into. Okay, it has a rechargeable battery. Okay, so I need a PC computer or USB charging. I don't think I can. I need to get an adapter. Okay. I actually need 2 adapters. I didn't realize that. Okay, well that's good. I'm gonna go to the other room and try to get the adapter to see if I can get this to work. I can't. I know I can't plug it into the USB on the projector because I tried it with my phone. It didn't charge my phone. So I'm gonna need an adapter. I have plenty of adapters. I'm going to rotate this so you can see the charger over here. I'm going to use the Apple adapters. Let's see, I'm going to unplug this. I'm just going to kind of rotate this a little bit so you can see. And then I'm going to get this and this and this. And go see if I can get this set up. All right, this is smaller. much smaller, right, than that sound bar. I gotta get the. I wonder if this is gonna reach. It may not even reach the outlet. That would be tough. This is pretty short, so it's almost got to be right directly behind it. This barely is gonna reach, but it's good because the button will stay here. I got an on-off switch. Then I got to get the adapter. I may have to use the adapter that I got last week because this is so short cable. You really are not going to find much ability to connect this. I mean, we're talking, you know, maybe 1 foot of a cable. I mean, this is short. This is not going to even fit, and I can't connect it. It's actually a pretty good cable though. I'm going to go get that adapter that I got. What do I need? I need a micro USB. Maybe it's on the table. Can I leave it out here? Oh, here it is. Let's see. Okay, so I got this. I bought this thing, and it was expensive. I talked about it. That's the HDMI adapter to Lightning. So yeah, so I bought this at Walmart. It was pretty expensive, but I can use it because it will fit. So we got to try to make this work. It's micro USB. So I have micro USB. Oh, almost missed there. Micro USB, which is a DC in. Is that gonna go? Okay, that fits. Okay, and then I actually don't. Okay, and then I gotta get this. This barely is gonna make it, but it's gonna make it. Goes down to here, right there. Okay, now I got a couple sodas that I dropped down here. I gotta get these sodas. Okay, so I got the thing on there, and then basically I just gotta turn this on, see what I can get going. And I won't use that remote anymore. This does not have a remote, so I gotta kind of turn it on here. And then I'm going to try to power this on. This is the lights charging, so I'm going to turn it on, and I'll see about volume with it. But I can barely see this. It's so bright today. Let's see if I'm getting anything on it. I got to get the Amazon. Okay, am I getting sound? This is this volume or? Okay, I'm getting sound out of this. I'm hoping this is louder than the speaker in this. Let's see. We'll try to get some YouTube. No, oh, not Up in Smoke. Actually, I'm just going to try this movie again. See how loud it is. I only want this for sound. See if it plays. And this might need to be adjusted. Just back over. Oh, is that sound going to go out? See, I might lose the sound. Am I getting the sound? I think I lost the sound again. This thing's cutting out the sound. I'm not going to get any sound. That's the problem. Yeah, there's no sound. I got to get out of this. I'm going to have a problem with this. And I got it. It's cutting out. Okay, it's back in it. Let's see. I got to get something with sound. Let's see. Go back. Okay, we'll go to YouTube. Let's try just YouTube. Okay, we're gonna just try to see what I can get. Okay, we're gonna go to. So am I getting any sound out of this? It's hard to actually. So I'm not getting any sound. Okay, let's try this.
Both my brother and my father were electrical. That was the problem.
Okay, there we go.
What Frank was able to get was a minimally invasive procedure that we do through the leg.
Okay, the volume works.
Very carefully position the valve and deploy the valve to replace the heart valve without cutting his chest.
I feel like I did when I was 40.
It's got okay
Keep
sound.
going back to 20.
It's not.
I think we got 35 or 40.
It's pretty good. I'm just gonna listen to this. But I don't know how to control
How to
this.
change the way you pizza. Step 1, grab a delicious Papa Murphy's pizza. Step 2, bake.
This is about as
Chow down on the
good a sound I think I'm gonna get out of this.
Time only. Get the Hog Heaven pizza for just
Let's see if you can even hear it. Okay, that's okay. That's actually pretty good. Oh, what happened to this? The whole side of this blew out. How did this happen? The whole side of the cushion blew out. I don't know if it's gonna zip up. How did that get unscrewed? That's weird. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna try to get. Oh, I can't. I gotta use my phone. I'm gonna read the instruction manual. I'm gonna just try to see what I can get with this, because maybe there's an app. You know, Craig Electronics maybe has an app or something. And then I'm gonna do the other TV. It's got a microphone built in. I can connect to Bluetooth, but I don't want to deal with that. It's just too much. I could connect it to the phone. I don't necessarily want to. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to try to do is open these and see if I can get these to work with the TV. Okay, so I'll move this over here. Okay. And I'm going to try to bring this in. I got to move this, and I got to move this easel over here. I'm going to bring this out here. Okay. Okay. Now, see, now this is the back of the TV. Am I going to need the back or the front? Okay, so this is what the back of the TV looks like. And I'm going to see, I got to plug this in too. I don't know if I'm going to be able to plug it in and rotate it. Oh, what I want to do is bring it out here so I can see both sides as far as I can. Okay, and then this has got to go back here. I got a lot of dust that's accumulated. Okay, now we're going to plug this in. I'm going to try to get a little bit of a walkway. Okay, I got to go get the remotes. Ow! Okay, what am I trying to get here? Okay, what I'm going to try to do, see if these work. Okay. Okay, I'm going to open these. Here's what they look like. Oh, they're different. Oh, they're different. Oh, this is good. They have a little, they've got a thing on the back. I can get this to work. I'm pretty sure these are going to work. Oh, this is good. This is good. I'm going to get this to work. Okay. What am I getting here? I don't think I need anything. I think we'll just go as it is. Okay. Okay. Okay, it also has... Okay, it's got an install thing. I'm going to try to see if I can get it to actually read, because it's a TV. So I'm going to screw this on. I'm going to see if I can get any output out of this. Okay, I'm going to turn on the TV. I got a lot of dust that's accumulated on here. Okay, we're going to go to the menu. Okay, hold on, I got to turn off the Roku. I can't. Okay. There we go. Power. Okay. So we're going to go to menu. Okay. I'm going to try to get menu. Okay. See, here's the problem. You get that password because somebody else had it or whatever. They do the password. I can't figure that out. Digital setting. Okay, network. Okay, so why can't I get that to go? Okay. Network. Okay, Ethernet cable. We want to change this to Wi-Fi. Okay, into the USB port. Okay. Okay, I got it in there. I'm going to retry. See, I'm going to try again. It's in the USB port. Does this have a light on it?
3, 2, 1.
I don't see the light on either. Okay.
Oh, hey.
I can't get
I'm
this.
Phoenix.
I think it's blocked,
Today,
technically.
I'm not only going to train,
I think it's definitely blocked.
but I'm going to make my very first cheesecake.
Okay, cancel.
Victor hates when I do that.
Wireless. Cancel.
Try not to
See,
eat
they want
right
Ethernet
here.
cable. I don't have any way to really get that Ethernet cable there.
That was pretty easy.
Okay, I gotta cancel this, go down. Viewer cast setting. You got proxy address, proxy port. I can't really do anything with this. Network cameras list. See, I'm not using this for a network camera. Yeah, search for the network. Okay, we'll search for the network camera. I can't, there's no real network camera, okay? Oh, our find cameras. Okay, return. Okay, anyway. Okay. And I can't do the software update either because I can't get this on the internet. right, connection test. Check Ethernet. See, I can't even do the connection test. See, they have a sub menu button. See, let's do Ethernet Wi-Fi. See, Wi-Fi, it goes right to this. You can't find it. So I do okay, retry, but I can't get nothing out of it. That's the problem. I can't get nothing out of it. So we're gonna go back. We can try to do the Viera tools, right? And we'll do cast, but its connection server failed. We'll do Viera Link, which is all the cameras and stuff. Home theater, camera, DVD, all this stuff. Let's see, camcorder, player one. Yeah, I don't get anything. Wait a moment. Yeah, I don't get anything. Okay, Viera tools, Viera Link. We'll do this recorder one. I can't get any recorder going. How about this one? How about player two? Is player two work? How about sub menu? Yeah, I can't get anything. Recorder. I can't see the home theater. You know, Link lets you control all compatible audio, video on screen, cameras, Link, Lumix. I don't have Lumix. So cable box 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have any of that. So I can't get any of this to work. Okay, lets you control. Okay, so we'll go back. I'll see if I can. The imager is not going to work either. It's just going to say, you know, you don't have anything. SD card, photo, videos, stuff like that. We'll do the media player. I'm going to get the same thing. No media or USB. So I just can't get this. I'll go. What's Eco? See if we get Eco. Energy saving. Yeah. So we're just having trouble with this. Go return. We'll try to do sub menu. Menu. Sub menu. I'm not getting anything. Advanced audio. That's not internet. So timer, sleep. How about sleep? Sleep 0. Okay. I don't know that password. Mode. I don't know what mode is. Closed caption. This is just closed caption. So analog. I don't know what that is. We got all these key stuff. Digital primary second service. I don't know. Digital setting. I don't know. We'll just get it. Okay. We'll go down to back this. Say clock and cable setup. I don't really have any antenna in. I don't think this antenna in. I need more than the antenna. I'm also not getting any power from this. So, and I don't think I can use the lightning adapter because this is a USB. I would need a USB to HDMI adapter. But I don't think you can actually hook up the internet with HDMI. So, not use cable antenna. Try antenna, but I don't really need antenna. I'll just say not used. And that's it. I mean, that's input labels. Here are link settings. Advanced setup. First time setup. I'll try the first time setup. All right, English. Home use. Antenna, cable, not used. Okay, I got no antenna in, not used. HDMI, Blu-ray, I got it set up. You can't do PC here. See, that's VGA, component cables, components, stuff like that. Let's go to next. Okay, Ethernet, wireless, boom. See, I got it right here in one. Retry, I'm getting the same thing. Retry. See? It's just not going to work. I don't know. I think I'm technically blocked. Like, I'm not supposed to use the Wi-Fi or whatever. See, I'm stuck with set later. There's no way to get this thing hooked up. Mode. Now, see, I can't even get the date on this thing. It's got, you know, December 31st, 1969, you know, New Year's Eve, 1969 at 4:07 p.m. You know, just no luck for me. Okay, I'll try it again. Yeah, no retry. I'm gonna leave the other two packaged. I'll try the USB 2 just to try it. But I'm still getting no power out of this. So I'm gonna have to give up. That's why sometimes if you know or you think it's not gonna work, you buy the most inexpensive electronics you can buy because you know it just might not work, right? I'm gonna try it again, it just won't work. So anyway, that's too bad. I was trying to see what VRCast would be like now. So, well, home use, not used, next. Okay, next. Setup's complete. Okay, next. Alright. Anyhow. So anyway, I don't know what else there is to do. I mean, I guess that's the whole, setup and everything. I probably got to fix this or something. I think that's alright. Other than that, I'm going to say goodbye. I don't want to do like too long of a post today. But these ones look like they're going to work. They would work. But I'm still not getting any electronic power out of that. So I've got two other ones if these end up working later. And I do have to try the wireless charging pad. But I can't put the phone on it and try it at the same time. So, and I also need to get one of these for it. So I hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.